Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to recover your Google account if you forgot your password. To recover account you need have access to its recovery email or phone number. But if you lost recovery email or phone number access, or if you not added any recovery options, then how to recover your Google account. So just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. At first take a screenshot your problem. And then close this tab. Now you need to open any browser. I'm going to use Google Chrome, but you can use any browser. Now go to support.google.com. In the Google support page here, we need to click on Google account. And then scroll down and find Need More Help, and here click on Post in the Help community. And then scroll down again and go to Post a Question. And now here you need to sign into any Google account, but if you don't have other Google account then just create a new one here. Or if you already have Google account then just go and type the email here to sign in. And then enter the password. After that click on Next. Note that if your Google account already sign into your browser, then clicking on the Post a Question will bring you to this interface directly. You don't need to sign up. Now we are going to create a post to Google community. Google employees are here to help us with our Google account problems. In the short summary type, what is your problem? It's about forgotten Google account's password. And then in the box here explain, what happened to your Google account. Problem is we forgot our password and we don't have access to our recovery email or phone number. After explaining attached your screenshot. Now select the category Account Access and Recovery. Then click on Next. Select Recover Account again. Then click on Next again. Next again. Now select what platform you're currently using. I'm using an Android. Then Next again. And now here you can edit your display name. This is your name that will appear in the post. And make sure to remain at this box here check, so that you can receive an email when someone responds to your post. Once done click on Post. Google employee will respond to your post in 24 hours to help you recover your Google account, and also provide you password reset system. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to get more update video, please hit the subscribe button and turn on all notifications icon.